Meditation helps improve vision. The main point of meditation is to focus your attention on something and not be distracted by any kind of thoughts. Let thoughts fly away like clouds and you focus on relaxing your eyes at this time. For example, on the sound of the waves if you are near the sea, or on the technique of performing oculomotor exercises during a relaxed movement of the eyes. You can focus on the sensation in your eyes, tight eyes or not, whether there is tension in the eye muscles, what effect does exercises have on the eye muscles. Just be present in the moment and focus on the process and do not get distracted by any kind of thoughts. For example, before going to bed, I focus on relaxing my eyes and facial muscles. Step-by-step meditation to relax facial muscles is on my YouTube channel, a link in the description. Listen before bed for about 2 months and you will get in the habit of relaxing your eyes before bed too. Relaxing the eyes before going to bed improves the effectiveness of recovery several times. All successful people do meditation. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below.